Everyone, this is Pastor Timothy. It's still October 30th. It's around lunchtime, just a little bit after 11. Got some yard work done. Mars straining some more sand, make another batch of cement, and we got a few more blocks. There you can see. We can see the progress that he's done here. The walls to the rooms are already taller than I am, and I don't know how much he'll be able to go if all the way up top on these walls now, or he'll wait until we have the scaffolding that he can do. We need to buy a window here, and to be able to close off this area, he's going to put the tijolo vazado, the blocks with the holes in them in here to keep the area better secure, and things are moving along real well. We have used our support to buy material a little bit each day, and we're closing in on the first part of the construction here for the rooms that we need. The next thing that we need to do is to take this gate off. We'll put it up front and close this area here off, put a door and a window. That way the veranda essentially becomes an extension of the house. We have a door and a window, a little window for here for this part, so this whole area in the back will be open. The wind will be able to come through the tijolos, that are the blocks that have holes, and the window here, and the door will be like a screen door that you can open. Part of the door, and it has a window in the door, so there'll be good circulation. And then we need to be able to take this gate, put it on top, fill in this part, and then put windows. One window for the boys' room to be able to catch the breeze from the outside, and then one window, we have to cut the wall somewhere in that area for the girls' room that will eventually be here. But Amar and Sylvia are working real hard. We do not have the funds currently to pay for the labor for the next part or the material. We'll, for those of you that have seen construction before in Brazil, when we stucco the walls, it's called rebocando as paredes, the walls. We use a lot of cement and a lot of sand, cement mix and sand to stucco the walls, and we'll need about 6 bags of cement, a truck of sand, a couple containers of the liquid they use for the cement, and we'll need to buy the door and the window for this part, and that might be it for this next part. The labor is going to be a little bit more because it takes time to do the stucco. And then after that, we'll work on putting the forro, the ceiling with the wood strips like we have inside here. You can see the strips of wood. You have a piece of wood that goes along the edge of the wall, and then these strips are nailed on a board up above it, and it gives like inside here is very, very refreshing, very cool, even though the ceiling here is lower because the roof is higher and the air gets trapped between these sheets of wood and the underside of the roof. So we got to do the roof part, and then we need to put tile on the floor. We're going step by step. We're going by faith. We appreciate your prayers and support, and once we get here, we'll continue having services here in front and here in this room here, inside our house and in the back area, until we can get construction started 16 blocks away. That will be the land for the church plant, and then the church plant land is neighbors to Amar and Sylvia, so they'll be able to, Lord willing, continue working with us there when we get that going. So I hope you guys have a great day and a good lunch break. This is Pastor Timothy saying ciao, ciao, hugs and prayers from Campo Grande, Mato Grosso do Sul, Brazil. Thanks a lot.